Hi, it's Peter Houghton from the Forest School Way. Welcome. Today we're going to do lesson 2 on carving the walking stick. So if you haven't seen lesson 1, check that out. I'll put it up here for you can click on and you can watch lesson 1 first, and then this is the follow on, so check that out. Last lesson 1, we did this. We learnt a stop cut and we did a ring round. So today I think my idea is to just work down and do little sections like this down the stick and teach you as we go. Okay, so I think we're gonna do one just under this piece, and we're gonna do it the same width as this one. And I think we'll do the spiral, so we'll do a stop cut, but we'll do a kind of a twist, like a little snake. Okay, so I'll show you how to do that. So let me bring the camera in. Okay, so you can use a table or a stump or a chair to rest your work on. What we're going to do is do a ring loop around the bark like we did in lesson 1. So I'm going to push down, wiggling the knife side to side just to open up that cut so the knife can slide down through the bark to the wood. Okay, that's what we've got there. Okay, come around here. I'm just going as deep as the bark. This is a piece of sycamore. Okay. Just going down again, wrapping round. Okay, so we've made a little strip like that. Then we're going to do thumb push. Okay, we're going to push on the back of the blade into that stop cut. Also, I think I'm going to make a video of knife safety, because I haven't really gone through that. So I'll make a video of knife safety and try and link it on this video, either in the description, or I'll put up a little pop-up on the screen for you. Okay, just going to go around, strip the bark off, turn the stick around. Okay, and we're going to strip the bark off this way on the other side, pushing with our thumb on the back of the blade, keeping our fingers tucked away. Okay, there's a knot here actually. If you can see that, there's a bit of a knot. They always make it a bit trickier to carve. So actually when you're choosing your stick, when you go for, you can get out for a walk and choose a nice stick, do try and find one that has got the least knots. If you've got big knots, so a knot is where a branch would have grown out of the stick and it's died off. And there's a few knots on this stick. Okay, so go around. If the knife gets a bit stuck, just give it a bit of a kind of wiggle and tease it through. Keep your body behind that blade there. Okay, I'm going to go around and strip that bark off. Okay. Alright. Again, here I'm using a little Mora. This is the Mora 120 carving knife. It's a nice little knife for this project. Mora make a lovely selection of knives and they're a good price. Okay, so there you go, got that. So similar to how we started off the first one. So at this time what we're going to do differently, I'm going to rest it down. We're actually going to do a spiral. If you've got a pen or a pencil, you can draw on where you're going to do your stop cut. That can be helpful sometimes. So we can draw around and get a spiral, get an idea of where it'll come and end. So in fact I might do 2 spirals. So in between, I've done 1 spiral that's come to there. So I might do another one from here. And come in between those first 2 lines. So I've actually got 2 lines coming up. Okay. So now we can do a stop cut along our drawing. So I'm going to come in again, I'm going to rest the knife down. Just bring it in a bit closer for this. Okay, gonna push the knife down into the cut, rocking it side to side. Making sure our hands and body all away from the blade. Come around and do the other kick. So push down and wiggle it, rock it side to side, down, rock it side to side, down, rock it side to side. Again, probably going 2 millimeters deep. Maybe a little deeper, 2 or 3 millimeters deep, up to you. Okay, so I've gone round, now I've done 2 spiral cuts. There. Okay. Right, now, like before, we'll take it. We're going to push with our thumb into the bottom of that stop cut. I might turn it around. Just be careful here because we're at an angle, so do keep this hand nice far back. Always moving your hand out the way of the knife. If it slips, just imagine it could slip at any time and where your body is. So you've got to be quite mindful and conscious of where your body is. Coming in, just working into that stop cut. If the wood hasn't broken away, come around, recut that stop cut and just break those fibres. Okay, so now we can do the same with our other spiral, because we've drawn 2 or 2 stop cuts, but the spiral it'll end up looking like 1 spiral, but we've got 2 lines twisting around. Okay. Take your time doing this. Don't rush. Enjoy the process. Come around. Recutting that stop cut, just break the fibres from any bits that haven't come away. So now we've got that. Okay. So now we're going to cut from the other side. So I'm going to turn this stick around. Okay, and we're going to cut from the opposite side. Keep my hand away. My holding hand, so this is my holding hand. Keeping that away from behind the blade. Like I said, I think I'll definitely do a little knife safety tutorial, so keep an eye out for that. That'll be coming out very shortly. Okay, so the wood here hasn't come away. Just going to come around and re-chop that stop cut. Okay. when it comes to this part, I just kind of feather it out, meaning I just kind of let it just come to the level of the bark, so I won't try and go deep where it joins, where it meets the bark. Okay, recut those fibres, they've come away. So now the other one, coming in, cut that. Okay, fibres haven't come away, so we can just make the stock cut a bit deeper and just cut those little bits that are hanging on. I'm going to cut them rather than tear them. Okay, so there you go. And that's our spiral. Now I've done that quite quickly. You take your time if you're just learning, beginning. Don't rush it. Carving is definitely about learning patience. Okay, it's about sitting with something for a long time, enjoying it. It's like reading a book. So you just gotta sit there and enjoy it. Okay, good way to learn patience because it doesn't happen fast. Okay, so it's a spiral, and like the uppercut, we can just go around now, just taking little quick cuts, and just taking off some of those facets, tidying it up, smoothing it off. Okay, coming around those sharp corners where I'm just softening them up so it goes a bit more concaved. Okay, so that's that one done. So I turn the stick around. And smooth off this other edge. Turn it around, and just smooth here. Keep turning the stick around so your tool can get to where it needs to be without it cutting towards your hands. Okay. You can just go in and clean little bits up as you spot them. So if that bottom of that V cut, we can just kind of re-chip that in so it's nice and tidy. Okay, and that's how we do a spiral. Can you see that? Bring you in. So that's lesson 2. Thanks for joining us. I'm Peter Houghton from the Forest School Way. Lesson 3 will be coming out shortly, where we'll do another cut, another pattern. So join us for that. Please, if you like this video, please do hit the like button and subscribe. It will help us grow the channel. Let us know what other content you might be interested in the future. And yeah, if carving, I think we might do some planting, we might do some more kind of crafts, we'll do some stuff for younger people as well. So do let us know what you're interested in seeing, and we'll see you next time. Take care, bye.